Welcome back to my science channel. Today we're going to learn about Stomp Rocket. Step on a bottle and air goes through a tube like a PVC pipe, and then it pushes the rocket up and it goes flying. Sometimes it can go super high and other times it doesn't go as high. So let's see how tall ours goes. Let's talk about this PVC pipe. It's really big. It's taller than me. Well, I'm 4 feet tall, and well, this is 5 feet tall. So when I put my hand up, my hand makes me about 5. My hand reaches to about 5 feet tall. So grab your grown-up and help them cut it. Let's get building. Okay, now we got all of our pieces cut up. Now let's get to the building. Okay, now we're going to place this little curved piece onto our longest piece. Now we're going to take one. Now we're going to take this piece. It's one of the shortest, not short piece. Now we're going to take this one and place it right there. And now we're going to take a super short piece, and then another one of these T pieces. And then we're going to take another super short piece. And we're going to add this one here. And now we're just going to set this one right. Put this one in there, like that. And then we're going to take these ones. We're going to take this littlest one and place it in the first one. And then we're going to take the longer one. And don't forget to put the littlest one. And we're going to put it in the first one. So our rocket's going to launch. Okay, now we're just going to pull this here and pull this one just about there. And then we're going to pull this one like this, pull that. And now we're going to see how this stands. Ta-da! We made our rocket stomper, but we're missing one more thing. The bottle! Let's put this bottle on. Now we have our launcher. Let's go make some rockets. Okay, now we're gonna roll this piece of paper on the CVC pipe. You want to make sure it's snug, but not like super tight. Okay, with this piece of tape, we're gonna put this piece of tape on there. And do you see how it can still slide? Now we're gonna cut out a circle. And it doesn't have to be a perfect circle. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now we're gonna make half of the circle there. And now we're just gonna put it in. Now that we've made our cone top, we're gonna tape it just like this. Perfect! Look, we made a fun pointy top. So, now there's one more thing we need to do. Now, I'm gonna cut this into a square. Let's go have some fun launching! Okay, we're ready for liftoff. 3, 2, 1, blast off! Whoa, that went really high!
That was so cool.
rocketing. It's just so fun. That was a pretty good round of launching rockets. Now, I want to talk about how did that work? So, when I stomped on the bottle had, well, nowhere to go, and it had to go fast. So it pushed out into the PVC pipe, and then it traveled all the way up and into the paper rocket, which made it take off and fly. The air is invisible, but it's very strong. This is actually a model of how a real rocket works. Real rockets use fuel instead of air. They burn fuel to push out super hot gases to launch the rocket. Stomp rockets teach us about air pressure, force, and rockets. Thanks for watching, astronauts. And remember, 3, 2, 1, blast off, bye!